Hey, dear business owners. Myself and some young achievers and professionals have been in the coven trying to bake a bread for you. But then this bread might not meet your satisfaction, neither will it cure your taste for bread if we don't get the specifications from you. Do you want this bread bromate free? Do you want this bread diabetic or non-diabetic? How do you want this bread? And what is this bread about? This bread is finance. So we are here trying to see how we solve your financing problem for your startup. So we like to know, what are those financing unanswered questions that you have about your business? How have you been assessing finance in the past? What are the challenges you've had trying to get finance funding for your startup, for your small business, even for your NGO, right? So come down to the comment box and let us know, how have you been facing these problems? What are those unanswered questions? What are those challenges of getting finance and funding for your business? And what are the fears of getting financing for your business? How have you been interacting with investors and venture capitalists, and what has been the roadblocks for you? I'd like to see you at the comment box. And thank you. My name is Emmanuel Ikechukwu Hanwe, and I am your business intelligence developer. Thank you.